England in the winter sounds worse than a June in Spain. To make the N sound of the letter N, like in nice, nice, push the tip of your tongue onto the gum behind your top tooth. Also make sure you're pressing pretty hard. N, N. This is especially true at the end of words. Many students have a tendency to release or not pronounce the N strong enough at the end of a word. For instance, in the word thin, thin. It's not thin, it's thin. So make sure you're pronouncing that N sound at the end of a word. 9, 9. Never, never. Nice, nice. Numb, numb. Nasty, nasty. Never notice nasty nails. Never notice nasty nails. Manual, manual. Pencil, pencil. Tennis, tennis. Corner, corner. Intention, intention. Finance, finance. A tennis manual is in the corner. A tennis manual is in the corner. 10, 10. Wine, wine. Engine, engine. Broken, broken. 11, 11. Fine, fine. 10 trains have a broken engine. 10 trains have a broken engine. 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. New invention, new invention. Financial planner, financial planner. Broken pencil, broken pencil. Science lesson, science lesson. An intelligent financial planner can invest unexpected earnings. Earnings. Can invest. Intelligent. Intelligent financial planner. An intelligent financial planner can invest unexpected earnings. Second sentence. Pencils never run out of ink, but pens write more neatly. Neatly. Pens. Pens write more neatly. Pencils. Pencils never. Pencils never run out of ink. Pencils never run out of ink, but pens write more neatly. Third sentence. Snow and occasional rain are in the weatherman's prediction. Prediction. Weatherman's prediction. Snow. Snow and occasional rain. Snow and occasional rain are in the weatherman's prediction. Last sentence. England in the winter sounds worse than a June in Spain. Spain. In Spain. A June in Spain. England in the winter. England in the winter sounds worse than a June in Spain. That concludes this session on the N sound. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, please be sure to visit our website at fluentamerican.com and subscribe to our channel on YouTube to get updates when the latest videos come out. My name is Jeff. Thank you for your time today. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.